How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to this brand new episode of Restorations with Vick, or should I say Customs with Vick. What I got for you guys today is this Air Jordan 1 that we're going to customize into the Kobe Undefeated Player Edition shoes that LeBron James wore a few days ago. We're also going to be doing some other stencil work on this bottom portion. We're going to be putting the Undefeated bars in purple, the LeBron James logo on this side, the Kobe Bryant logo on the inside. So, let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is prep the leather all around using some acetone, boom, and some cotton balls. Once that's done, we're going to do some tape work, and then we'll get to the good stuff. The area you want to focus the most on is the toe box. This is the area that does the most flexing. Do some extra scrubbing in that area with the acetone. That'll ensure the paint will stick a lot better in the long run. The first color we're going to lay down is this bright yellow from Jacquard. We're going to cover up the entire white leather. Once it's fully laid down, we're going to move on to laying down the stencil, then the second color, and so on. Alright guys, yellow's laid down, it looks nice and bright. On this side I went ahead and started laying down stencils just to see how it's going to look. Daniel was nice enough to make me a bunch of stencils. As you can see, we're gonna need a lot of camouflage stencils. This is just the first layer. We're gonna lay down a bunch of them all around the shoe. Lay down the second color. Once that second color is laid down, we're gonna apply some more stencils and apply the third color. And then we're gonna move everything and we're gonna have the final product, which I can't wait to see. Second set of stencils are laid down. As you can see, it's all over the place. It looks messy, but as soon as we lay down the second color, it's gonna look dope. Let's go ahead and lay down the third color. Alright guys, all three colors are laid down, all the stencils are off. Honestly, it's not exactly how I envisioned it. I envisioned it a little bit different. Right now it's a little bit too loud, but it's the same concept. It looks pretty sick, don't get me wrong, it looks dope. I love how it looks, it's just not exactly how I envisioned it. It's still sharp, everything around it looks dope. The next step we're gonna do is move all the tape, re-tape some areas so we can start laying down the black on the tongue, the sock liner, and the collars. And switches as well. What's that? Alright guys, so the switches are fully done. Looks good. I still got to touch up the black checks though. Overall though, we're making some good progress. The camo's laid down, the switches are done. The next step we got to do is touch up the collars and tongues. We're going to be painting those areas black. So far what I think about the shoes, the black checks definitely help tie the custom together. Before I laid down the black, there was just so much yellow and orange going on. It was hurting my eyes, honestly. I was just seeing flames. The black helps. It helps contrast well with the sole. Once we lay down the black on the tongue and up and the collars, I think it'll look a lot better. So far, it's looking good. I did forget to mention one step. Before we lay down the black, we gotta lay down some yellow on this leather tab piece right here on the back. I did mention in the beginning of the video I was gonna lay down a Kobe Bryant logo stencil, which is right here. This piece right here is gonna go on the back after I lay down the yellow. Once the yellow's laid down, we'll lay down the stencil. Stencil's laid down, we'll lay down the black, remove the stencil, and this Kobe Bryant logo should be yellow once it's all done. Alright guys, we're close to the end. So far it's looking pretty good. Check out that tongue. It's a nice detail. You can see it from the back view, even when the shoe's laced up. It'll look dope. That's one thing I like about the shoe a lot, is that it'll have the Air Jordan logo right here, the Kobe Bryant logo on this side, and the LeBron James logo over here. The 3 greatest of all time, all in one shoe. I don't know if we'll ever see that on an actual release, but it's actually pretty cool that we're doing it on this shoe. I wasn't trying to do that. I wasn't trying to have all 3 Air Jordan, Kobe Bryant, and LeBron James all in one shoe. It was a base I picked out, which it worked out pretty cool. So the next step we're gonna do is paint the collars and this little piece, these white areas, black. Yeah. Alright guys, all done laying down the black on the collars. So far so good. The shoe looks pretty much almost done. All we gotta do now is lay down some final details, which is this Undefeated bars stencil. We're gonna lay that down over here. We're gonna do our best to line it up as best as possible. Once it's lined up and laid down on the shoe, we're gonna lay down some purple paint, and that'll be it, and we'll move on to the next stencil. It's a nice touch. Went ahead and laid down the LeBron James stencil as well. That's pretty much it for this shoe. That's gonna wrap it up. It's pretty much all done. Got the Undefeated stencil on this side, Kobe Bryant stencil on over here, LeBron James on this side, and of course the very, you can't really see the Air Jordan logo. You got all 3 goats and the Undefeated logo. The shoe looks dope. All we gotta do now is go outside, protect the shoe. Since the shoe is about 90% painted, we gotta protect it using some Krylon matte finish. Alright guys, that is gonna bring us to an end, finally, on these LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, Player Edition Customs. That's quite of a long name. I don't even know exactly what to call them because the shoe isn't necessarily a Kobe, but it's inspired by that colorway. But yeah guys, the shoe came out really dope overall. It was a lot of work. Alright, so I know you guys just watched the full video, but I want to break it down real quick and exactly what I did. I started off by prepping up the shoe, laying down some stencils. Well, I started off by laying down the color first, then a set of stencils, then some paint, and then some more stencils. Finished it off by getting this awesome camel design all over the shoe. Then did some stencil work on the tongue, down here, and over here. Laid down some black on the sock liner, tongue, and swooshes to tie the shoe nice together. Shoe, like I said, came out awesome. It's inspired by the shoes that LeBron James wore a couple weeks ago on his first debut wearing the Lakers uniform. The shoe's awesome. Hope you guys like it. This video took a long time to make, just like every other custom. Customs just take forever. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe our YouTube channel because that helps us grow and helps us put out better content for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next Monday.